Hey, to upload a video to YouTube, all you have to do is just to click on the right upper corner on your account, and from here just go into your YouTube studio. So that's your account, and to upload the videos we've got two methods. The first one, you can actually click on this button to upload the videos. Now you can select the files by clicking here, and you can simply go into your desktop or any other destination. But also you can simply drag this video. So click and hold it with the left mouse button and then drag it and drop right here. Now, as you can see, we are uploading this video, and from here we can actually post this video by changing title, description, make some thumbnail, playlists. There's like a lot of options that we can actually pick and set up for the YouTube videos. Then we have to follow some videos elements. We can add the end screen, some checks, and the visibility. So we got the private, unlisted, public. So in the most cases, you will probably get the public one, and then click publish. You can also set your video as a schedule. So for example, I can publish this video tomorrow around 2 a.m. So yeah, that's quite simple. And if you want to upload the videos into the YouTube, you can actually upload 15 videos per once. So you cannot upload like more videos in one tab. But if you open, for example, like 5 tabs, you can actually upload 15 videos per each tab. So you can actually get 60 videos per once. So yeah, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.